Alright guys, a lot of different things are happening right now because as you guys are aware, we are in the SEMA crunch timeline. SEMA is the first week of November and we have a little over 2 weeks. I am leaving for Japan in 6 days and we are going to spend the next 2 weeks in Japan, and I have some interesting stuff to show you guys. But because we have this crazy timeline, yesterday I went and filmed with the BRZ as we cut it up to mount the Street Hunter Widebody kit, and the same day that I did that, I had Calvin film a celebrity vlog for you guys, and he filmed this entire video. He forgot his camera, had to go buy one when he was in LA, but he met up with the boys over at Street Hunter, and Calvin filmed this vlog for you guys, documenting cutting up the 400Z. So I'll see you guys in the next video, but in the meantime, sit back, relax, and enjoy this vlog with Calvin.
Alright, I was sent on a mission to meet up with Dylan and get the 400Z started, okay? Our mission brings us to Best Buy because I already failed! I forgot the camera! So Dylan said...
forgot the camera already. Starting the day off, he gets there, we're all ready for him, ready to cut the car.
And I'm like...
Forgets the camera.
Yeah, I forgot the camera. So Dylan, we went to Best Buy, we got a camera, so we're on our way back, get this 400Z done because we don't have much time. SEMA is just around the corner. Dylan and Diego already had this much done. They got the top fender and the rear fender on, but you had something special to say.
So to get the kit how it currently is that we use the same kit that you saw in Chris Forsberg's car, which was like the drift version of the kit, and basically we did some modifications to it. So if you come down here, we can see that the kit used to actually come all the way down to the side skirt over here, but now we have a brand new side skirt that's going to end up going onto the car. In addition to that, we are going to be actually molding the fenders into the car, so when we get final production, that they'll end up being full replacements for the car. So as you see here, we're just lightly tapping in all of the different spots just so we have the exact angle and the placement of the fender right now, and then we'll start to grind it down and do the body work. Then when we make final molds, it'll actually be all one piece with all of the original OEM connection points at the top too.
So my mission then is to help get the other side cut and mounted so that they can move on with this process. Here we go. First of all, I just want to say I hate these things. I've had a disc explode in my face. You can't see it anymore. There's a scar on my nose. I could have lost my face, okay? So wish me luck. This is the line Diego wants me to cut. I'm gonna get it done.
Today's video is sponsored by our friends who are responsible for keeping your hair on your head, and that's Keeps. Keeps is an online subscription service that sends hair medication out to your front door so you never have to go anywhere or leave the comfort of your own home to get the medication that you need. 2 out of every 3 males will experience some sort of male pattern baldness by the time they're 35 years old. And I don't know about you guys, but that's coming up for some of us. I still got a few years to go, but I'm coming up on it. They have 24/7 care and support and have a network of expert medical advisors, prescribers, and care specialists to support you in making your hair goals a true reality. Whether you're trying to prevent future hair loss, stimulate hair growth, or just take better care of your hair in general, Keeps has everything covered for you. The key to hair loss is treating it before it happens. So get started today and get 50% off your first order by going to keeps.com/hunt. That's keeps.com/hunt, or just click the links down below in the description. Thank you so much to Keeps for sponsoring this video, and now let's get back to it.
So besides everything that we've done today, Dylan actually has the prototype for the
new Z-Wing. So you guys might have seen this actually on the back of Chris Forsberg's car. It's all rough right now and it looks like there's all lines in it because this was actually from a 3D prototype that we ended up repurposing back for this car, and we're gonna smooth it out, get it production ready, and get it fitted to the car.
First things first, we have to take this one off, but I think it's already able to be taken off.
So we already popped out the screws at the bottom, all here.
There's 4.
They all
and
just
then
connect with just bolts right now, and then I think we should be able to just unscrew them. There is adhesive that we've already removed to help save us a little bit of time. And yeah, we're gonna pop this off. We're gonna test fit the new one, just see how it roughly fits, and then we'll start getting to bodywork.
Mega Man Diego over here, man.
Oh, we can literally just pop it.
Oh, there's clips.
Oh.
Oh, all right, Diego.
Oh.
All right, whatever, dude.
Damn.
Toss her on. Let's see what it looks like.
Let's see how she fits.
Oh, looks kind of sick.
Oh.
You know what this kind of reminds me of, Dylan?
Huh.
Like the original 240Z wing.
Yeah, so one of the cool things that we actually designed the wing for was if you take a look at the entire car, it accents certain parts of the 240 from the original one. Things like the headlight, the taillights, the silver accent on the side here. It's all very reminiscent of the 240. And so when we were designing the kit, and especially the spoiler, we were kind of thinking like, what would be, you know, kind of a modern retro design that we can kind of throw on. So we decided to go with more of that traditional duckbill that you would see on a lot of the 240, the styling that kind of comes just more like straight out. A lot more height than the stock one and stuff like that. I think once it's all painted and finished in either carbon or color match, that I think it's gonna be a really nice add-on to the car.
I think this is gonna look sick. We have one more stop to go. We're going to Strass Motorsports. What they have is a secret BRZ. It's another wide body street hunter BRZ that we haven't talked about that's also going to SEMA. There she is. There she is. What's the story?
All right, so we're doing a global time attack car. This is our good friend Jay Cray. He's actually one of the most function-oriented builds that we have currently going. He'll be doing everything from a chassis mounted front splitter to the side skirts to full chassis mount wing in the back. This thing's completely stripped. There's gonna be no interior other than just seats, pedal box, and some little pieces here and there. We're back. We're getting ready to cut the second side of the Nissan Z. The only thing different from this side than that we've done before was that there's a very, very large gas tank on this door. And for you guys to get an understanding, you can take a look at the side that we cut yesterday. So as you can see, nice circular cut just going up there. We're gonna cut a little bit more of the rear bumper tomorrow. If we take a look over on this side of the car, this gas tank door is bigger than my hand is. So we will have to be cutting around that today, but it shouldn't intrude too much into the arch of the cut. But we can take a look under here. The fuel pump's under there, so we don't wanna cut that. Diego's gonna get down on the honestly too bad. We ended up getting the part off the car, and we're gonna start cutting the actual inner wheel well now, so we're gonna be able to seal it up eventually, and then we're gonna be moving on to the rear bumpers and the front bumper extension, so more to come soon.
All right, you guys, I know today's video was rather short, but Calvin's celebrity vlog ran a little short today. I apologize, boys. But as you can tell, I'm currently not home. I'm in the airport. And this was a celebrity vlog just because there is so much going on right now and I really wanted to document this process. But with the SEMA crunch and the Japan trip and getting ready for everything, it requires me to be in a lot of places on a lot of different times, and I really wanted to try to get a video out for the 400 because I know so many of you guys are enjoying this series, and I am too. So I just want to say thank you guys for watching today's video. I know it was a little short, I apologize, but I'm sure you guys will have enjoyed it either way. I'm late to my flight right now, and I gotta run. Thank y'all so much for watching. Peace out, and keep moving forward.